So, ayan, nandito ulit tayo sa ating kusina para ihanda natin ang ating gagamitin or iluluto sa ating sabaw. So, ayan, papaya. That is papaya. And this is pork meat. So, ayan po ang ating ingredients for today's video. So, yan. Prepare natin. We have to peel off the papaya and slice, cut, or cut the meat. And then, blanch the meat before cook. So, yan po guys. I will prepare it now. Ayan na guys. We already cut the meat in that kind of slice. So, ayan, blanch natin. Blanch natin yung meat. So, ito na while waiting for the meat to be blanched. And ito naman ulit, ikakat na lang. Kasi tapos ng nabalatan. So, yan, ikat natin. Ayan, you already cut also the papaya. So, later on, we are just putting it on sa ipapakulo nating tubig. So, ayan, still, hintay natin na kumulo yun. And this is it. Mamaya natin nilalagay. So, ayan, with ginger and garlic. Nalagyan natin para dagdag sa ating ingredients. So, ayan na ang ating soup. Luto na siya. Yun na ang final product. Ayan po guys. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone.